Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about angle grinder and how to use it properly. There are different type of grids for each cutting wheel. Once the workpiece is clamped properly on the table, we can start using the grinder on it. Remember to wear proper safety equipment like gloves, leather apron, and glasses to protect yourselves from the scrap material produced during the grinding process. After you are done grinding, turn off the machine and loosen the clamp to remove the workpiece. Now examine the workpiece and check if the surface finish is good or not. That's it for today's video.